Wow, those sound good and they're loud. These are the Herdio 6.5-inch indoor-outdoor speakers. They're 400 watts and they sound amazing. Let's go through everything you need to know. You can set them vertical, right like I have them here, or as you can see on the back, it has a mounting bracket with knobs right here to tighten it down, so you can also mount them right here horizontally. These are wired in, that's where you get the 400 watts of power, and it's really simple to set up. As you can see here, you have a power adapter right there. Plug it into the wall, and then plug it into one speaker, and then connect the first and second speakers, and then turn on your Wi-Fi to your wireless device. I use my iPhone, and you're ready to go. What I also really like is it comes with an extra cord, so you can actually connect up to 4 of these speakers. The biggest question I had before I got them is, are they worth it? How are they gonna sound? And I don't know how good it comes through on this video, but they sound amazing and they are definitely loud. 400 watts of power, they don't get scratchy, they sound great. Overall, I'm really happy with these and definitely some speakers that I would recommend.